Morning. All right. Right, yesterday, let's see how these plays would have played out. We had buys from higher time frame support 2653 or lower time frame 5156. Okay, 56 was down here. So yeah, we did get some buys. So price came down here, bounced off. So we could have got some potential buys, 200 pips, 190 pips. So that's one idea. Actually took some buys from 670 to 670 when it tapped and then popped back up. So it hit it a couple times, which was also Wednesday's all-time highs. So after this break, I expected a retest. Really, what I wanted this price to push up and re-break the high and go up. It didn't, but I still caught. I think I got in a bit higher because price pushed up so quick. I actually caught about. I don't think it pushed all the way up. It's about 70 pips, I think. I took yesterday on that. So that was that trade. Very quick in and out. Also 5.3 could have had an entry. I don't think it came quite down to 5.3, but this is what I was looking for, a retest of this support. I was very bullish on gold yesterday. So even though it was having pullbacks, I was looking for places to get back in for buyers. And that was based off my levels from my daily analysis. Sells from low time frame, high time frame resistance form, low time frame resistance 6366. So I anticipate that if price did come and retest this resistance, it might push back. Then this started happening. I actually did get into buys late London session, late morning London session. Got into some buys up here. I was in buys from before the stream started, when this candle retested. I got in and I held up until the highs, but these were potential trade ideas from the levels I had yesterday. Just want to clear this up. Let's look for some new levels today. So price opened 72235. So obviously gold is still extremely bullish. We had the continuation pattern form, which is pretty much at 80%, 80-90% probability. Friday's candles pulling back. Haven't retested yesterday's high yet. Could potentially, we've still got a long way to go, or 100 pips to yesterday's low. So again, because I'm quite bullish, just looking for the best place to get in for buyers. So I'm going to look for a resistance and support on the higher time frames. Ideally a higher time frame support. Alright, 4 hour. So this is a really good structure point because it's the last place gold pushed up and made a new high. So that's 2654. Call it 2654 high time frame support. It's a bit higher. Yep. High time frame resistance 2677. And then let's look at the lower time frames. So sells, maybe if we get a retest of 2674. Two, 6, 7, 4, 7, 6, and 8, 2, which is the highest yesterday. This, instead of a daily target, it's more like a weekly target, even though it's the end of the week. Not really anticipating gold pull back this much, but that's sort of the last daily structure point. We had the breakout, so at some point I'm looking for a retest. 1,000 pips would be nice, but gold's still very bullish. And support wise, we've got this nice support here. Let's call it 2661. 2661. I like, significant levels. That's a previous resistance. And 2653, we'll call that. Alright, those are the levels to look out for today. These are the levels. Bear in mind it is Friday. There's normally a lot of volatility on Fridays. Hasn't been much movement during Asian session, but it does seem like prices forming a minor downtrend. Alright, send this in the group. Open up the Zoom. Got some gold news later. Core PC price index. Yo. Yo. What's goody? I got you. Send out that Zoom link. Yo,
Yo.
what's goody?
Nothing and up. And
I
like,
see.
fuck it.
I see. I'm just doing my markup now.
I was about to ask you to catch myself.
Oh yeah, it was a good time as well. I don't really like the structure of it, to be honest.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't really like structure. Like, even though it's, I don't know where I would have got in. I don't think I would have. I'm too bullish on gold to be looking for
Myself.
yeah. Unless, I mean, this is a closure below. What time was that? 6 o'clock. And then we had no bottom wick. Push down, so that would have been pips with that bit. I don't even like this. Didn't even have no top wick, so I definitely wouldn't even have got in there. 40 pips. Just don't like it. Don't like it. Let's put some resistance up in this. They held right here. Let's see. I actually looked back at my my daily markup from yesterday, and I was looking for buys from. So I post before the news. I knew where I was looking for my entries to get the buys for it to push back up. But when I looked during the day, I had 5.3 and 5.1, so all the way down here, like this whole area. But then when I looked at my daily markup, I was looking for buys from 2656, and I was like, oh, that would have been perfect. Like right here.
Yeah, that wick down here.
Man. I actually caught buys higher up. I did from like 6. I think it was after this resistance. I caught them from like 6.4, 6.8. I took some more. But when I looked back and I saw I wanted it from down here, I was like, but it spiked down too quick and pushed back up for me to even get in. But yeah, I'm really thinking about setting some limits. Some limit orders.
Okay, let's see on my chart. No, I don't want to update right now. Let's go to what I want. Alright, let me see. Run for your life. Run. 2657. Where it was where I had my line, but a week literally bust through that shit. It still would have been a nice execution. Would have been in drawdown too if I would have pulled the trigger on that, but not for long.
Yeah.
It just went down, man.
What level did you say?
2657.24.
What, for buyers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, around here.
Yeah.
Wouldn't have been much drawdown though. I think it dropped. Yeah, more 30, 40 pips. 30 pips. Considering that you want to be holding long as well.
Yeah, I would have. Got in period. Got in period.
It was a nice drop though. Very nice drop from that fib level.
I have to definitely take a nap later.
Oh yeah. But you're off today anyway, right?
Yeah, I'm off today, but we're supposed to go out tonight.
Oh yes.
Twin birthday celebration.
Just going to a house rave, innit? House party, not house party, but
it's like It's trap karaoke.
Oh.
Yeah, so Courtney loves some karaoke. Trap part. See you later. We shall see. That's what we're thinking now. My mom's gonna watch Cannon, so I hope it works out.
Oh.
She'd be excited to watch that one. Yeah. I mean, grandma so bad. Grandma so bad. What do you need? Run from your man.
I just hope gold does something this London session, man. It ain't really been doing nothing this week.
Yeah, I'm gonna say I'm up. Shit, it better be popping. Well, it's Friday though. I mean, like, well, Monday's the last day of the month, but still.
Yeah, exactly. Gold still does crazy stuff on a Friday.
Yeah, on a Friday.
I'm here for it. So there's either two things that could happen. Gold could continue bullish because it's so bullish. I mean, just looking at the daily, it's got this nice wick to fill. This could be just the bottom wick, flip bullish, push back up, keep going, or we could have a profit taking Friday.
Yeah, I'm feeling that way for the stocks too. Again, like, just for it being so close to the end of the month. It is the end of the month.
Yep.
I could just see everybody taking off. But like, and that's why, like, when I did my plays this week, I made sure they expired, like, going into next week. Like, if I bought something this week, it expires next, because if I would have bought anything today, man, that expired tomorrow, that decay, and the potential sell-off would have just blew the whole shit.
Yeah. Friday gold is not the rest of the week gold.
Run for your life. Who won again? Cowboys or Giants?
Cowboys.
Okay, I'm gonna say, hey, but now let these Giants beat them.
It was 2015.
Alright.
And I'm sure, remember what Rich said? Rich said Dak's gonna run like 80 yards and give Dak like 200 passing yards or something like that. I think that actually happened. Because I know
the guys he had hopping earlier was on talking about it and shit, talking about their league and how Dak get doing whoever they playing against. G had Dak, that was Rich destroying his ass on fantasy.
Yeah, he's not been very good for the fantasy. Dak got a 55-yard touchdown.
Yep.
I mean, Lamb, yeah, CD, look at that, gone 55 yards.
Come on, Goldie.
Yeah, New York defense is garbage, man.
Garbage. Them and fucking, who else is trash? Carolina. When them two play, shit gonna be like throwing wet tissue at each other. Wow. I have to actually take a look at oil.
Oh yeah, what's oil saying?
Well, it's been selling off the last couple of days.
Oil, like that. US oil. Oh, it's been dropping, isn't it? I see.
Get that all the way up there. Telling you when that shit, depending on your last size, that shit be moving. Like I think it's like this, like every 5 pips or something like that, and the pips are like small. I'm thinking I'm mixing it with something else, but just it moving like 50 cent. You're like, yeah, I am.
No, I can believe that because the price is low. 67.8 compared to like gold, which is 2006. You know, 2,600. Yeah. That 550 cents gonna make a difference.
I think I'm about to jump in there and buy. Hold on. Nah, this shit is bearish as fuck.
See, 8 o'clock candle. That ain't going on. Oh, might have a continuation pattern here.
When those 2 candles break out, I want to see if it's doing what it did to that candle to the left. You see it, the next pattern that will look like it could have pulled it off all the way over the green, 2 green candles. Right there. Up to the right. To the right.
Oh.
Yeah, those 2, yeah.
Yeah. So this is a bearish continuation pattern for me.
Okay.
Bear candle, small bull candle, then another bear candle. We have to break this low.
I want to see if it doesn't close like that. I saw a clip on Raj, and he was talking about trading in like this like range and shit.
Yeah.
Like, truly have to wait for the resistance and that support to be broken, depending on whichever direction you're going in. However, also paying attention to the left, is that left about to fill up. You know, I forgot the clip, but I was like, yeah, he right. Engulf all of that. We're gonna recover all of it. You won't know until the support and resistance is broken. Candle closures are all important.
Yo, and that structure is a big thing.
Fucking print so fast, guys. I was gonna make Ashley a candlestick LED.
Oh yeah.
LED sign. Yeah. She's so fixated on the shirt. I guess I can do that too. I just said I was gonna go over one day and just teach her how to silk screen.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Buy a kit. Get her a kit for like Christmas or something.
Yeah.
Once used for your LED sign.
Yeah.
So how big is the machine? Is something you can just carry over?
Yo, word. Cleaned out a space full after this print done. I said in the morning I was gonna move it over. Hell yeah. And I'm over here. I was trying to tinker with my other printers, man. I was like, God, man, I'm gonna have to bust these shits open. But that's also like part of the hobby.
Yeah.
Being able to tinker with your machine and, you know, fix it and all that. You truly gotta commit to it, because if you don't, I ain't gonna hold you. I wasn't committing the first time. I remember I just let that shit sit for months. I was like, I'm gonna fix my stuff. And then I fixed it, adjusted it, realized it was like the filament was like exposed for too long. And when there's too much moisture at it, it's like your print starts to be very stringy, which can then cause a clog in your machine and shit. So definitely want to make sure I'm keeping it dry and keeping it bagged up.
Yeah.
I saw someone use the cereal containers, and they had them in there. I was like, interesting.
Right.
Like 2 for like 12 and some change. I was like, very interesting.
Yeah, I think I want sales if we break this low. Yeah. It's down to 6640. As if this top wick don't push up much more. But this is a quick sell. About 1-to-1 risk reward. GJ's been running. Oh!
Shit. Running backwards.
What? When I woke up today, it was at 195. Hey, nearly 196. 400 pip drop. Wow. Wow. What's going on? What's the news?
No, I'm gonna let y'all look at gold. I'm gonna go over here to GJ and see what's shaking.
Listen, GJ's been moving recently.
Yeah, man. Eat that last week too. I was like, sheesh.
We don't even have there's no pound news or nothing. Wow. Wow. No, that is quite a drop. Bank of Japan must have said something. No, they had CPI, but that's at 12:30. See, this is Friday. Friday charts behavior. Sell off. See what the dollar's doing. Pushed up and then it's dropping again. It's gonna be a fun day. Fun day. Oh, I don't want this pushing up much further, man. Really, I want to get into buys from a nice low spot.
Yeah.
But I don't mind taking the sells down to that spot before it comes back up. Well, this looks like a break and retest anyway. Like it broke this support. Like it broke this support and then it's retested. Boom, boom. To come back down.
Yeah. Let's see if they hit it a third time. If they hit it a third time, that's how I be on. I'm like, let me see if we can do it in 3.
Could be coming back up. Back up in this Asian range. Didn't even notice that. 1269. Could be getting into our bias. What's yesterday's low? Oh, it's close. That's today's low. Yesterday's low down here. 5484. Surely it can't tap that area again. It must break through.
Me too.
Come on, Goldie. Just give me a little 40 pip drop, okay? Okay, 5-minute time frame. This is nice looking, nice little double top up here. This would have been a nice trade. Nah, that's it. I'm getting up at 4 o'clock now, from now on.
That.
Okay, 30 minutes about to flip. Bearish again. Okay, this is good. This is good. Just give me my cells. I'm not asking for much.
Like you getting it though.
I hope so. Look, 1 hour. This pattern is so nice. Like, even if it gives me 10 pips, this pattern just always plays out.
As yourself.
Yeah, because it's like what the candles are showing is it's had a strong push down, and the next one is tried to push back up. Buyers have tried to push it back up, they failed, and the sellers have pushed it back down, but not quite the break. And then the next candle, the sellers continue. Do you know what I mean? That's the way I read it anyway.
The tug and roll, yeah. I mean, that's honestly how it is too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So now with this candle, the candle we're on now can break the low of the last one, then yeah, we're gonna continue. But it only plays out if it breaks that low. So, and then even on this 30-minute, it's a support, a resistance, and then breaking the support and continuing down. So it just needs to push.
So you're still looking for your buys?
Oh yeah, but I'm looking for buys from down here.
Yeah.
Either here or like just a previous support really. That's where I want the buys. I don't want price to I don't want it to break yesterday's low, which is down here. It's the lowest point of yesterday. Because if it does, then I think gold's gonna keep pulling back if we break yesterday's low. Because the current candle, like what's normally been happening during Asian is, well, you know, gold's made a new high every day. Most week, all week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's made a new high during Asian session and then dropped. That's just what's been happening this week. But today now, it hasn't really pushed up much at all. Hasn't filled much of yesterday's top wick, and it's dropping. So that's the only way I'll change my bias, is if it breaks yesterday's low. Then I'm looking for more sells. Then I think it'll be sell-off day. Because all this is just kind of ranging now, isn't it? We've got, like, it's looking downtrendy. It's raining. Come on, gold. Looks weak. So no options plays today then. Do you open plays on Fridays?
If it's a nice ass day trade, yeah.
Oh, just a day trade?
Yeah, two options. I'll buy a day trade. Take the ride a little bit. Don't stay in it too long because that Friday should be crazy. Or if I'm buying in for next week, I usually buy my next week plays Thursday or Friday if I see something. But yeah, that's my two ways of playing for Friday. And also just damage control or something get a little too crazy.
Come on, gold. Why are you struggling? I know you're bullish. Just go down just a little bit. I still can't believe this GJ drop. A daily candle. And it's crazy because the reason I stopped trading GJ because there was no volume. And I swear it's like as soon as I've stopped, it's just been flying left and right.
It's basically saying I'll show you, nigga. I'll show you. Oh, come on.
It's crazy.
Go about to take off. Damn near.
Alright, we finally getting the push. Sneezing. It's getting cold.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, fall, man.
It's getting cold.
Everyone wants to be a rapper, bro. Everyone's a rapper. I want to be a rapper now.
Oh, shit.
You can be whatever you want to be.
You can be whatever I want to be.
You can do whatever you put your mind to.
I want to see what GJ does.
GJ is just dropping.
Yeah.
And that is I just still can't even believe how much that is. Let's see, from here to, yeah, 450 pips.
Is that DJ?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Yeah, GJ, I was like, oh, GJ's been pushing, let me look at it. Boom. Tanked. Just tanked. I'm trying to catch these sells on gold real quick. This tap here, man, that would have been the entry. Retested that support. Oh, that would have been the entry.
For what, your buys?
No, for the sells. Right here, when it came up and tapped. And then pushed down. That would have been, what, 50 pips already? Quick 50 pips. What were you looking for in gold today, Drizzy?
Give me 1 sec. What's up, bro?
I might put a sell stop on.
Drop, motherfucker.
So the only reason I don't like sell stops is because it never gives me the entry, the exact entry I want. It misses it by like a couple pips. It always pushes past. Well, Fox News are really conservative, aren't they?
Love Donnie. Trump was talking about Pelosi the other day. Talking about she should be charges should be pressed against her because she sold Visa the day before it got hit with his bullshit.
No way.
Yeah, I was like, alright, well, that right
okay.
there.
Yeah.
How did she know?
Getting a bit too coincidental now.
Yeah. She ain't even fucking hiding it no more.
Yeah.
definitely know somebody. I know somebody.
What chart? That's gold. That's up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought y'all was looking at GJ.
Oh, was. Security, you know? Taking a look. They jump in the trade. It's like,
Oh,
Come on, just 8 pips more.
gold,
Yeah. Wait.
gold tap 2682 and then it never went past it, right?
Yes, that was that fib level.
So shoot, if I forgot what ass had her set up. But if we keep
What,
it,
her fib?
yeah. All we gotta do is based off of the fibs, like just move it up that zero.
I can tell you exactly where she had her fib. She had it there to here.
Now, let me see.
Yeah,
Okay,
she
now
had it like that.
Move that zero up to the new high.
So the 0, that's here, isn't it? Yeah.
So that'll be the new target area.
2700. So where would you look for entries?
Where's price at now? Is it below that 23?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'll be looking at them at the 38 and the 61 under that.
Oh, the 61 down here, 45. Ooh, got into my cells. Cool.
To that or the 38.2.
Yeah. That's actually where I'm looking for buys as well, funny enough.
Yeah. It would be the buy areas.
Cool. Perfect. Oh yeah, 2700's been the target. Game, did you get into this?
Did I get into that?
Yeah, I've been talking about one in cells when this price broke here. Just down to just to take 40 pips down to 2660.
I've been asleep since like 8 o'clock yesterday. I took an edible probably like around 4. No, probably for the rest of the night.
Wait, where'd you get in?
No, I said I went to sleep. I took a when I got to the crib like around 4:20, 4:30.
Oh.
Yeah, I took it edible. I started cleaning up and stuff. I didn't even look at the charts as the gold went up. Did that nonsense I did early in the morning.
Yo, you know I was looking for buys all day.
Yeah, you was. I'm like, damn, she called these just too early.
And I was looking, when I looked at my daily analysis from yesterday, I was actually looking at buys from this was a support. It was down here. From down here, and it actually, if I'd taken it, man, that push back up been like 200 pips. I'm actually in some quick sells right here.
Okay.
Because of this continuation pattern on the downside. To that bear candle, small bullish candle, bear candle. Never fails.
Say what? What's the pattern?
It's the, you know, the continuation pattern I was talking about yesterday, but it was bullish yesterday. Yeah, so look, on the other side, bullish candle, bearish candle, weak bull candle, and then a bearish candle. You see
that's telling you that's the bearish confirmation right there.
Yeah, it's just that it just means that the sells are gonna continue. Doesn't mean it's gonna continue far, but it just once we break the low of this candle, yeah, we're going down some more.
So you basing it off of the previous 3 candles?
Yes, yeah, it's like a free candlestick pattern basically.
Okay.
It's super on the daily, so it actually yeah. So look, yeah, worked out on the daily yesterday. Remember what I was saying about breaking the high and then pushing up? Yeah, that's why I was so on my buys. Once I see that pattern, I know once it breaks the high or like form a top wick at least. So yeah.
So when do you get in based off of your candlestick patterns? I never really traded candlestick patterns. I wanted to get into it.
So really, like if I was aggressive, I would take it at the candle flip, like where the candle opens. It's just it has to make a top wick first or a bottom wick, so you could be in a bit of drawdown while it does that, or wait for it to make the wick and then like reflip. So aggressive would be the candle flip, and then safer would be when it breaks like the low or the high of the last candle.
Okay, so when you say break, are you meaning a close?
No, just a push below. Just a push below.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that same candle could still be forming, and then once it
yes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, definitely. So yesterday, why I got in again, where I got in was because we were at the high of the daily. Because let me see, when we were up here, yeah. So say none of this was here. Yesterday when price started messing around up here, because it was the high of the last candle of the daily, and we were up here, I knew once it broke, it was gonna go crazy. Because it would be playing out that continuation pattern for me. Once it breaks the high, that's like my continuation, my confirmation to get in. So I actually had an entry at like 70.5 when it broke as well, just for it to push up for that pattern. So yeah, that's kind of why my conviction was so strong with the buyers, just for that pattern alone, really. But yeah, I knew, obviously we know with a resistance, price is gonna fuck around a bit.
Yeah.
And then yeah, when I saw it wasn't really pushing down, I said yeah, just loaded up some more buys. Let's let it run. But yeah, it's a nice little pattern. Nice little pattern. I don't think it would.
Now that's interesting you say that, because maybe I can add that to my analysis, because if I was just opening the chart, just looking at gold right now,
yeah,
like without knowing what we know, I first thing I would think will happen right now is that what time frame is this?
This is the 1 hour.
Okay, so I would be looking for that 1 hour candle to close with a bottom wick, like on the way up, versus how you just said it, like it broke the low of the previous candle.
Yeah.
Continue with the pattern. Yeah. So I would normally look for it to create a wick on the bottom and start pushing back up.
Okay.
Just based off of those 2 previous wicks on those previous candles.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I mean, how often does that work for you?
Honestly, it happens a lot, but I'll be on a higher time frame though, so I wouldn't be looking at it like, okay, this 1 hour candle about to finish selling. I was about to sell some more with 20 minutes left. I'll be waiting for the whole hour to close, and then if I see that it's closing with a doji, okay, even if it broke the previous candle as well, I'll be looking for the candle to to make a wick, and if it doesn't, I wait for the next one. But what you just said, that could allow me to get more pips in the current move versus just waiting for a hook. It's hard for me to explain. It's in my head, but it's hard for me to explain what I'm talking about.
Because the way I see it, and what I was saying to Nazah earlier was like prices pushed down, and then the next candle the buyers have tried to push it back up, failed, and then the sellers have pushed it back down again.
Yeah.
So if the sellers take over on the next candle and it breaks the low, then it's a sign that, you know, price does want to continue down, especially if this bullish candle doesn't break the previous candle's top wick. Then it's like they can't really push it back up. That's sort of the psychology behind the pattern that I see it as. And yeah,
I like that. It's playing out right now.
Yo, listen, it doesn't fail me. It doesn't.
I like that.
Now, even if it, just like with yesterday, on the daily, it doesn't have to close like strong bullish. Sometimes it could push up and the bullish candle could push down, but the pattern will play out as the candle is forming, and then whatever happens after that happens, but it will push. So even now this candle here, for me the move is over. I'm pretty much done with this trade now. I've hit 20 pips. Like, I wanted it to come down to 660.
Yeah.
But all I expect is that it pushes, like fills the wicks. But I really want buyers around here anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm out because I'm primarily bullish, but I know this pattern will play out for me. Yeah.
So now, if on the daily, if the next daily candle opens green and breaks the high, then you will be anticipating Bob.
Oh, I'm anticipating it as soon as I see these two I'm anticipating it straight away. As soon as I see this, I'm looking for it. I'm looking for buyers straight away. Anywhere below any as long as the daily candle doesn't break this low, I'm looking for buyers as close to the open of the daily candle as possible. So I'm looking for buyers as close to like 5-7, and then possibly like additional trades once it's broken the previous day's high. So I want to be in anywhere as this is filling this wick. I want to be getting in. So any support, and then yesterday we had this whole range. So it opened around here, but all this ranging, I think, yeah, I got in down here, didn't I? Yeah, I got in at like 58. Remember I was holding, but I said, yeah, I got in down here. Which was, and the daily opened, I think it was at 5-7, didn't it? It opened, did the daily open? Yeah, so the daily opened at like 5-7. I got in about 5-8. So the fact that it wasn't making a long bottom wick as well was definitely in my favor. Yeah, just kept on going. Really, I should have held up until that 82, but I didn't want, for one, I didn't want a massive pullback from that 670 level, just because it was like all-time highs and a strong resistance. That's why I got out and then got back in again. But yeah, my conviction was, and I used Ash's
break through the 60.
Yeah. But yeah, I got out. Yeah, I'm out of those. Quick 20 pips.
Yeah, I closed partials.
Nice. Did you get in where I got in? At 64?
Oh, I was in 65. 65.52. I was going to get in at 67, but I was like, nah.
Do you know what? Even there, that would have been nice. Stacked all the way down.
Jerk me down.
Now, when it created this, I won't even say it's a double top, but this kind of lower high, this could have been a good entry. I'm looking for 5-minute entries as well, just like better positions. But yeah, that's my trade down. I know 30 pips is small fries to Drizzy.
Nah. I'm. It's crazy because I'm actually over here like. I'm really locked. I'm locked in on like. I'm real interested in what you're talking about right now because I never really did it like that.
Yeah.
And I like it. So it's like it's kind of like a. I'm trying to see how I can implement that with.
I've got a page where I've just drawn out mad continuation patterns, like every variation that I've seen. I'll send it in the chat.
I think that's the only thing that I never really tapped into.
Candlestick pattern.
Like I always thought like that. This gonna sound crazy. I always thought like I'm not about to waste my time on a candlestick pattern. Like, too much other stuff to learn. But
yeah.
I know this. I know that when I be seeing them. Like, well, not that I know that when I be seeing them, but like you said, it's a whole page of like candlestick patterns I never really paid attention to.
Yeah. But it's just what I've seen happen. So yeah, it's just kind of something that I put together because I kept seeing it. You know, when you see something over and over again, I'm like, okay. I just went back and said, every time I see something like this, what's happened? And it's just been the same thing over and over again. So I just started collecting them.
So like, you see what's happening now? Like, go back to the 1 hour. That's see how it's wicking up. That's what I will be looking for to happen with that candle. Right?
Oh yeah.
And then I will try to get a wick entry on a push up.
So you'd be like looking for buys down here.
Yeah, versus
looking for the cells to come down to here.
Exactly. Like, all right, matter of fact, let me hop some cells real quick until we get to this buy area. See, I don't be doing stuff like that.
So if this support wasn't here, then I'll definitely be holding.
Right.
But with this support here and knowing that I want primarily buys, that's why I'm in and out. But if we were on a downtrend, then yeah, this thing will still be going.
Like if that same pattern was directly off of the high, you'll hold it.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Like with no support.
100%. 100%. Because this is really selling into support, and I've only done it because there's like 40 pips in it.
Yeah.
If it was like 20 pips away, then I wouldn't bother, because what's the point? But yeah, there's enough room for me. Then yeah, quick scalp, in and out.
You might have just did something. Cause I feel like I gotta change. Not that I have to change how I operate, but I'm always looking for. Like y'all know the targets I be throwing out there. I'm always looking for 100, 200 plus pip move, like something. Yeah, this shit going right here. I gotta go. It's at 2620 my target. Yo, 2642 the next target. Like damn, 220 away. That's so I like that.
Oh shit, is this off my course?
Huh?
Nazah just sent me a picture. Looks like all my strategies all on one page. But the way I see it as well is if I'm looking like I want to get buyers obviously from as low as possible, but why not sell down to there as well?
Exactly.
So even if it's like, yeah, if it's a good distance away, then it's like, why am I waiting for gold to drop all the way down there and I'm not catching nothing on the way down? Nah.
Now me, yeah, I would have been in. I would have sent the screenshot. My entry would have been all the way at that fucking wick at the bottom.
Yeah, I'm kind of pissed I didn't even take this this entry back. Oh, look at that, the fate. Oh, it's on the 1 hour. Yeah, this looks good. Damn it. Yeah, that would have been a good buy back up.
How many pips did I just move?
That's like 50 pips already.
Damn, it's on that.
It's about 50 pips already. Look. Or 46 pips. But if this candle closes bullish and above this Asian low here, then yeah, I'm getting into buys. But it has to close back.
So wait. You said that. Say that one more time.
If it closes above this is like the Asian session highs and lows. So if this candle closes back above the Asian low, then I'm looking for buyers. Back to resistance.
Got you.
Yeah, but
it's not a lot of times that I look at people trade and like they doing. Seriously, like, let me not say not like what they doing, but it's not a lot of times I look at the trade and it be like, I never looked at it like that.
Yeah.
So that's definitely a good way to add some positions onto it, you know.
Oh yeah. Because I'm thinking this could be, we could get a double bottom here. Would be nice. Yeah, but Friday gold ain't like the rest of the week gold. It's gone different.
So you think it's gonna be slower today?
Nah, I think it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
Because it's end of the week. It's the last Friday of the month. It's not even end of the month. It's just the last Friday of the month. I've noticed a lot of times, a lot of things sell off on a Friday. It's like profit taking, especially at the end of the month. People just, profit taking, get their payouts. So I don't really see. I see Monday as the end of the month, but not really. Because it's what, the 30th on Monday, isn't it? Last actual day of the month. But it's not the end of the trading week, so yeah.
It's so funny how the days have switched up. I remember years ago, Friday used to be one of the boring trading days for me.
Friday.
Yeah, that's how it used to be. It used to be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. For me, what I knew back in the day was the peak trading days, like, especially for New York City. Not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Yeah.
Monday was slow and Friday was slow. And Sunday will always gap. It'll open up with a crazy gap all the time on Sunday. And people will just trade the gap.
Yeah, I know a lot of people say Monday and Fridays they don't trade.
Yeah, because it really used to be like that. On Monday it'd be slow, you get caught in something, think it's gonna go this way. You get caught in consolidation. And Tuesday it go one way all day. And then Wednesday will be mid-reversal. And then Thursday will be, it'll either continue or reverse back.
I mean, you got your Thursday movement yesterday. Did you take anything yesterday?
Nah, because I was looking for to sell at that resistance. I remember we saw you was like,
oh, right here.
We first were talking about, yeah. So when it got up there, I'm looking like, okay, let me get a doji or like a H4 wick or something like that. And then just kept buying.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna wait to the RSI over again. And it kept buying. Then I placed like three 1.5s.
Yeah.
And then real quick, I was down like $100 and something. So I'm like, yeah, nah, I ain't messing with oil right now. Let me close it. And then it went back down to like $25, like negative $25, and I closed it.
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm gonna wait for the sales.
Oh yeah, I wanted those back. And I have a note that if gold breaks like a daily high or low, you can normally get at least 50 pips out of it. Just the push.
The push beyond the break.
Yes. Just the push on the break, and yeah, at least 50 pips. At least 50 pips. So I always, if it's about to break a gold high or low, I'm not getting it. I'm definitely not taking a reversal. If this resistance wasn't at, like, if the daily high was down here for the day, for the previous day or something like that, and then the resistance was above it, it wouldn't be as bad. But with the high at the daily high as well, nah, that gold gold for me, gold is gone.
Okay.
Gone.
I'm mad I didn't buy these now.
Listen. Listen.
But now it's back in that Asian range you're talking about.
Oh
yes.
Look at it. Oh yes. If it pushes up some more, and with my strategy, sometimes I feel like I do get in a bit late because I'm waiting for such a confirmation.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is definitely the area I was looking for to get in. At the bottom, so that's why I was in and out my trade there. And in my daily analysis, I said I was looking at buys from this lower time frame support at 6-1. Crazy, but it's cool. Wait for this candle to close.
What fib level is that right now? Where is that?
Fib level. It was 38.2.
That's where it's reversing at right now.
Yep. Because I think the 28 was, yes. So I have it at, put it on the 1 hour. Actually, I had it down here. And then you said move it to the last high, right?
Yep.
So I think this was a bit higher. I had it right here. Yeah, look at that. Oh Lord. Yeah, look, 38.2, 60.5.
So if this level holds at 27,
I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
The next long-term target is that like 300 pips.
Oof, up to 2,700. And we got news today as well. Core, PCE. When was the last time? So 30th of August. Let's see what happened real quick. But August was such a rangy month. 30th. Yeah, it was just ranging all month. Core, PCE. Oh, it dropped. Oh, wait. Yeah, gold was ranging, not much going on. So yeah, once this candle closes, once this 1 hour candle closes, I'm looking for a bottom wick, then buyers. Boom. Then I'm
Look for a bottom wick on the open of the next candle.
Yeah, so I want it to make a little bottom wick first, just so I'm not in too much drawdown.
Oh.
And then, yeah, get in at the flip. Hopefully it just pushes up. The longer the bottom wick, the better. Then I can use it as a stop loss. But I might just go in small anyway, and then just load up as it keeps on breaking. But yeah, the best entry would have been down here, man. Definitely.
What do you consider a bottom wick, after it closes or as it's forming?
Oh, as it's forming. So it opens, especially if I want buyers, opens, pushes down a little bit, and then reflips bullish, then I'm in.
Okay. So I know a lot of times the market it'll create a wick and then it'll just go right back down, then come back up, then it go back down.
Yeah, it can bounce around. It can bounce around, but as long as it makes some type of bottom wick. Obviously, if it had no wick at the bottom, I'm not getting in at all.
Okay.
Because I know a candle's gonna make some type of wick. Let's see how it closes though. If it closes back up in this range, this structure is still kind of like minor bearish. Even if it pushes back down to like retest down here, I'd get in, I think. Just load up small positions.
You got a membership with TradingView?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. But I don't mind it for backtesting, but because the candles don't form in real time, it's a bit, you can't really judge. Like for me, I use the candle wicks as stop losses. So if I'm planning a trade, I say I was using the replay now, and this candle's closed like that, and I say I want to put a trade on. I don't know how the candle's forming to put my stop in. I just press next, and then boom, the next candle's already there. So it doesn't really give you the real-time actions. But I wish you lot could use CTrader, because CTrader's got a market replay function where you can play the candles in real time and take trades. So it's quite good for backtesting. But obviously with TradingView you can annotate on your chart and all of that. I actually have another program called Forex, but you have to use MT4. You have to use MT4, and that has it's a really good backtesting software. Oh yeah, it's only if you have a Windows PC. See, I don't like how this candle's closing. GJ is amazing. I can't believe it's moved this much. There's been no news. 1, 2, 3, hour and a half. Do you know what? What's the fib level below? Because I would still like buyers from down here.
Like 60, 61.
Yeah, but the only thing is, if price comes down here, then it's broken the daily low, so it might push before it comes back up.
So when things like that happen, that's why I use a higher time frame, because even if it goes lower and pushes, and then potentially comes back up, then that will create a wick on like an H4 or daily candle at that fib level.
Okay.
And then that'll be like, okay, it'll low-key confirm that fib level too.
So say price comes down to like this, would you take buyers from the 61.8 level as well?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the level that I'm looking at every one of them. I'm looking at the 38.2 to 61.8. Whichever one gets hit and shows me a proper rejection, I don't mind taking it from either one.
Okay.
The 61.8 is the best one because it'll give you the larger retracement back to that. Yeah.
Got you. Cool.
So like if you get a retracement from like the 38.2, let's say it retraces from here now and it goes to the negative 27. That's only what? 400 pips? Come on.
You said only 400 pips.
Wow. that's 400 pips. But if it goes to the 61, that'd be 600 pips to that negative 27.
Listen, I'm glad if I get 100 pips.
Yeah, you right.
He said only 400. Okay, we didn't get that closure above. That's cool. We still closed bearish. That's cool. Yeah, I think these sellers might come from a bit deeper. I mean, the buyers.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nah, definitely not.
So you see how that made a top wick? Would you get it in right there for the sell?
No, because for a sell.
Yeah.
Nah, because now it's I don't like this structure. Like where I was getting in before, I was selling from at least the resistance.
Okay.
I was selling from at least the resistance, and then, you know what I mean, break of the low down. But yeah, I wouldn't sell from a support. And then I'm selling kind of, yeah, nah. Because this support has been respected as well now. Nah, I don't really like it. If I was going to get into anything, it would probably be if this low is broken. Then down to here. But then you got these wick rejections. Yeah, I don't really like it anymore, to be honest. It's not clean. It's not clean at all. Now you got a weak bear candle. Nah. I think we might get a range until NY now. That's for me. The volume's in like the pre open. If gold comes back down here, or at least retests maybe this support,
okay,
depending on how it looks on the 5 minute. If we get a double bottom on the 5 minute, then yeah, I'll probably look for some buys, because I wanted the buys from here anyway. So yeah. Are you have you got limit orders set up? Drizzy?
You said what?
Have you got limit orders? Do you use limit orders?
Oh, so yeah, I do. Only ones that I use is the sell orders and buy orders. Yeah, I work here.
You don't have a bag?
No, I left mine today.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, bro.
Clocking time, yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm about to get to it. I'm gonna be in
Discord,
chat.
yeah. Alright, cool.
Alright.
What a wild ride.
Are you still holding? Oh man. In and out that bit. Yeah, really, I want buyers in it from down here. The buyers back up would have been nice too. What's that, 70 pips? Quickly. Let's see. Fibonacci's.
Yeah, I was just looking at that. I was like,
Like them levels hit. Them levels hit. Especially for all-time highs. Like the way Ashley put hers up, literally, yeah. This is what happened. And this is where I got it from. So she had her lows here, then she had her buys here. I mean the highs here. Boom. Look at that shit.
Exactly.
Bruh.
Exactly.
And then just drop from there. Listen, the crazy thing is, yeah. The crazy thing is, if you go back to our chat, Ashley said to Drizzy, he was like, she was like, "How's my fibs?" And then he said it's perfect. And he said, based on your fibs, gold should go up to 2682. So I'm like, alright, it's the fib guy. Do you know what I mean? He knows what he's talking about. I don't understand how none of them were in buys up until this level. I don't get it. None of them.
They don't trust the fibs.
They don't trust the fibs. But he called it. He called it. I'm like, alright, cool. You called it. That's where it's going. That's where it went. Exactly where it went. Like to a T. And then just drop from there. Nuts. But yeah, man, for all-time highs, I like it. I don't think I like the levels, but the thing is, like, you see when I draw it, it still lines up with my support and resistance levels anyway. So I don't really need it. It just confirms what I'm already looking for. So I was already looking at buys from this level, and then when I draw the fib, it's like, oh, it's at that level too. Cool.
At that level, yeah.
Yeah.
You start fucking with fibs.
Yeah, as long as someone in the group is using it, I can just go off their levels. Alright, what we got? What are we looking for? Cool? Alright.
I'm missing it. Holy, did I just let that do that to me? That's crazy. That's what I forget for not paying attention to that. I was already at 20 and now that shit. Alright, this shit moving too fast. Hold on. Gotta look at gold real quick.
I reckon gold's gonna start ranging. It's gonna start fucking about down there.
Go Power Ranger.
Yep.
Don't do that. Oh no. Break that. Break that 64. Come on down. You. A little bit more. Come on, baby girl. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Do it for the gram. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, baby girl. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Come on, baby girl. Pass this. Pass this 63. Come on. Oh, don't be a fucker. Ooh, Goldie, you a bitch.
Oh, it's a nice little. What'd I take? 30 pips.